Hide and Seek 1, Unit 4, Lessons 5 and 6. Baby, baby. Lion, lion. Monkey, monkey. Bird, bird. Elephant, elephant. This, this. That, that. This is a bird. That is a bird. This is a lion. That is a lion. This is a monkey. That is a monkey. This is an elephant. That is an elephant. A baby bird. A baby bird. A baby monkey. A baby monkey. A baby lion. A baby lion. A baby elephant. A baby elephant. Letters and numbers. Big A, small a. Big B, small b. Big C, small c. Big D, small d. Big E, small e. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My family, my family. Parents, parents. Children, children. Goodbye.